In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to posterize in Affinity. Posterizing is a quick way to turn a photo into a bold, graphic look by reducing the number of colors. Instead of millions of subtle tones, you choose a handful of levels, and the software groups similar colors together. It's perfect for retro poster vibes, simplified illustrations, or preparing images for screen printing. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. With your image open, click on it so it's active. You should see it highlighted in the workspace or selected in the Layers panel, which tells you the adjustment you're about to add will target this image. Next, look to the right side of the interface. Find the Adjustments icon, the small circle that's half filled. Clicking this opens a list of tonal and color tools. From that list, choose Posterize. Affinity will create a Posterize adjustment and show you a simple panel with a levels control ready to tweak. Now for the fun part, adjust the posterized levels. Levels set how many distinct tones remain in your image. Lower numbers produce big flat areas with hard transitions, great for bold silkscreen style art. Higher numbers keep more detail and smoother transitions while still simplifying the colors. Drag the slider slowly and watch the preview update live. If you prefer precision, type an exact number in the field to lock in a consistent look across multiple images. A few tips as you dial it in. Judging the image at a true 100% view helps you evaluate edges and gradients accurately, especially in skies and skin. If you notice distracting banding, increase the levels a bit. For graphic portraits or logos, try fewer levels to emphasize shapes. For landscapes, a moderate level often keeps texture without getting muddy. There isn't a universal number. Let the subject and final use guide you, and adjust until the transitions feel intentional. One nice bonus is that this adjustment is non-destructive, so you can continue editing your image and return to fine-tune the levels at any time. The effect stacks well with other edits too, so posterize can be the first step in a stylized workflow or a finishing touch that ties a composition together. Because it's an adjustment, your original pixels stay intact, giving you the freedom to experiment without worry. That's the entire process. Open Affinity, click your image, head to the adjustments on the right, pick Posterize, and adjust the levels until the look matches your vision. Trust your eye and the needs of your project, and you'll land on a crisp, poster-like result that stands out.